Every position has the same three chords, the 1, the 4, and the 5/7. Mostly the same fingering applies, only the notes change, depending on what position you're playing in. In this video, we want to discover the F chords for the 1, the 4, and the 5/7. Let's take a look at the chords for the key of F, and they will look like this. The snowman is over here on the left. That's our 1 chord. This is on page 40, by the way. And we want to find FAC with our left hand. Then over here, we want to do the bunch of grapes, which is called the 5/7. In this case, we call this the C7 because C is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the F position, and C, it will be the prominent note or the important note in the 5/7 chord. We're going to play 1 and 2 on C and B flat and slide finger 5 down a half step to E. Here is our C7 chord. Of course, we call the 1 chord our F chord because 1 is at the bottom. It is called the root of the chord when it is all built in skips or thirds like that. So we can practice moving from the 1 to the 5/7 and back again, F to C7 and back, and working out our chord that way. In the middle, we have the 4 chord, which in this position will be called B flat because B flat is number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And B flat is the prominent note in this chord. We want to keep 5 the same on F, play 2 on B flat, and reach your thumb up a step to D. So we have the notes F, B flat, and D for this 4 chord. And we want to also start on the F chord and move into position for the B flat and go a few times up and down like that and back again. Now we want to play these chords in a series called a chord progression. Let's take a look at that on page 40. Notice we have the F chord and then the B flat, the 4, F. We're going to drop down to the C7 by sliding our 5th finger down and back to the F for 7 counts. Together, this chord progression would sound like this, especially if we keep tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thumb up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Drop your pinky. 2, 3, 4. And back to F. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And you're off. And we, of course, waited for the tie on that last one. Now, you might want a little more practice with these chords by playing the preparatory drill at the bottom of the page. And here we start with our F chord, go to our B flat, and it's nice they put the chord symbols up on top for us. Back to F, C7, and F. Notice 4 counts on each, 2 half notes, and then a dotted half with a rest. Let's listen to the preparatory drill and how that's going to sound. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, change. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you might want a little practice on chord changes there by playing that as well. Well, to summarize, practice moving your left-hand fingers from chord to chord until the changes are automatic for you. And so good luck and enjoy getting to know these new chords in the key of F.